Hi guys, how is everybody doing today? Guys, we are back with another amazing video, you guys. So, if you're ready for the video, come on in the kitchen. So guys, how is everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another great amazing video. You guys, now we have a chicken recipe today, right? And we only going to use little oil and 3 tablespoons of butter. Well, margarine. I'm using margarine. You can use butter. Okay, you can use butter. That little oil kind of got me. Yeah, it kind of got me. But anywho, let me throw this away. We're going to put that butter there in case of emergency. So, today's recipe, we have some chicken wings. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is saute my onions, right? I'm going to start my onions to sauteing, right? Because it ain't going to really make much of a difference, because it's all going to come in together, right? While I leave these to put on top. Let me set these over here. And we have some chicken. Now, I fried some chicken the other day. And you know how you got just too many wings? Well, that's what the case was, right? So, I said the other day, but it was actually yesterday. It was actually yesterday. I cooked some chicken wings, right? To go with your green beans and white potatoes. So, I wind up putting these in the refrigerator so that I can cook them, right? Because I didn't do the fried wing video. I didn't do that. So I'm going to add soul food seasoning. Let me check the camera. Soul food seasoning to this. But I'm going to open it up and sprinkle some, right? I'm sorry, y'all. But I don't like that feeling. Okay, so we got some black pepper. Now, mind you, and keep in mind, my hands are clean. Now, we have some chicken seasoning, you guys. Chicken seasoning. We're going to add to it, right? Just like that. And we're going to add some garlic powder. Because this recipe I grew up on. This is one of the first things I learned to cook. First things I learned to cook, you guys. And when I tell you it was delicious, it was delicious, okay? So I wanted to share this recipe in case you don't feel like frying some chicken. This recipe is really something, you know, you ought to consider, you know. So we're going to put them in the pan just like that, right? And, just like that. when I do this recipe, dealing with chicken wings, I like to fold the wings. I don't know why, but it just works out for me better. And when I tell you it's delicious. Did I say that? Yeah. Uh-oh. It is so delicious. So, we got 2 more wings and we're going to fit them on in here. Because all we're looking for is a brownie, you know, brownie situation. This one I want to fold. Okay. And we're going to stick that in there just like that. Let me rinse my hands. Oh, it smells so good right now. There's nothing like home-cooked food. I mean, when you have home-cooked food, it's just delicious, okay? And let me tell you, see, I used to be a soul food cook. Believe it or not, yeah, your girl was, okay? And I ran the afternoon shift. My mom ran the day shift. And yeah, so a lot of techniques I learned, believe it or not, when, you know, one thing that, you know, it's a certain type of way. Now, don't get me wrong, my mother cooked a lot, okay? And I learned a lot from her. But I also learned a lot in the restaurant field as well, you know, being a soul food cook. And when I tell you, just the simplest meals you can actually create and make it your own. Hey, that's what it is, you know? That's what it is. So, we're going to let this cook and brown on one side so I can flip it. Uh-oh, I check. Yeah, so we're checking on it because we want to make sure it's cooking good. You guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. Because here, you're going to learn how to cook easy, delicious recipes, you guys. Easy, delicious, and quick recipes, you guys. Yeah. I just want to peek in on it. The lesser you disturb it, the better it's going to turn out. But I just want to, you know, let you know. Like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. I'm introducing you young generation. And in case this is a recipe you never thought to create, this is very tasty. This is a good dinner recipe. You guys, you can add it to your table, you know. Add it to your table, and I promise you, with some boiled rice or mashed potatoes, this makes a good idea dinner recipe, you guys. Just as long as you got your poultry, right? Did I say that right? Right. As long as you got your poultry, your meats, the veggies gonna fall. They gonna fall. And you're going to know how to pair it up. So, yeah, this right here, this is one of my quick meals. A quick meal, dinner recipe, definitely homemade, you know. Okay, guys, so we're going to turn it over. Look at that brownish on my chicken. Now, like I said, this is, you could call it sauteed chicken, pan-fried chicken. Because now, with me having this side brown, I'm going to turn the eye down, right? because I had it on basically medium high. So I'm going to turn it to low light, but not too low. It all depends on how your oven, your stove operates, oven, stove. But yeah, we're going to saute or pan fry, this chicken on this side. And when I say this is very delicious, it is, you guys. You can add your own sauce to it. Now, I would have added sauce to this if I had my whipping cream. But I don't have that. And I know how to make it from scratch, but I don't. It's kind of like time consuming because I got the baby. So I just wanted to bring you guys a quick recipe that you can enjoy. Yeah, for those days you might not have much oil, or you might just not be in the mood for fried chicken, You can pan fry it, and it still go good. But, yeah, like I say, you guys, like, comment, and share this video, right? Because your girl need it. And thumbs this video straight up. Okay, thumbs this video straight up, you guys. Oh, and then look at the onion. I love the onions. It's like smothered onions around my chicken. And this meal will be done in about basically 20-25 minutes at the most. Guys, look how delicious this chicken is looking. You guys, there you go. There you have it, pan fried chicken wings. And just like move them around, You can take the wings out, like I said, if you have some whipping cream. I usually use little flour, and I put it with my whipping cream, or you can use cornstarch, to be truthful. And season your sauce up. And there you have it. There you have it. But this is it for the video. Thank you for watching me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And yes, if you're not part of the fam, what are you waiting on? Like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. Let me know what your girl is doing. Simple, easy recipes, you guys. Simple, easy recipes. Homemade cooked food. We're doing it all over here. And so I'm going to send much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.